In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Binance support. Before we begin, a quick but crucial reminder. There is no official Binance phone number for support. If you see a number online claiming to be Binance, treat it as a scam. Always use the official app or the official website to get help, and never share your password, two-factor authentication codes, or recovery phrases with anyone. Sticking to the app or website keeps your account safer and ensures you're actually speaking with Binance. Start by opening the Binance app on your device or visiting the Binance website in your browser. Log into your account as you normally would. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step as well. It's an important layer of protection. Once you're signed in, head to your dashboard. This is the main area you'll see after logging in, where your balances and shortcuts live. From the dashboard, scroll down and look for the Support Center. Depending on your region or app version, it may appear as Support Center or Help. Keep scrolling until you see the section dedicated to getting assistance. When you find it, click or tap Support Center. This opens the Help Hub where you can browse articles and FAQs if you'd like quick answers. But for real-time assistance, we're going straight to chat. Inside the Support Center, select Live Chat. This launches Binance's chat window. You'll typically start with an automated assistant that asks a few questions to understand your issue. Type your issue clearly and concisely. Include essential details like the affected feature or transaction identifier, but avoid sharing sensitive data. The clearer your description, the faster the system can route you to the right help. If the automated suggestions don't resolve your problem, click Talk to Agent. This tells the system you need a human support representative. You may be placed in a queue, so keep the chat window open and your connection stable. While you wait, you can gather any non-sensitive details that might help explain the situation, such as the approximate time something happened or what you saw on screen. When an agent joins, be direct and polite. Restate your issue briefly, answer any follow-up questions, and follow the guidance they provide. If you need to step away, let the agent know so the session doesn't time out unexpectedly. That's it. Remember, no phone support. Use only the official app or website and avoid fake numbers. Following these steps will connect you to Binance support safely and efficiently.